Hello everyone. Today here are some quotes on self-growth. I hope they will help you a lot and you will like these quotes. And if you like them, please like and share the video. Now let's start with our quotes. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. The very best thing you can do for the whole world is to make the most of yourself. Don't worry about failure. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. Success comes from knowing that you did your best to become the best that you are capable of being. You have to apply yourself each day to becoming a little better. By becoming a little better each and every day over a period of time, you will become a lot better. It doesn't matter how slowly you go so long as you do not stop. You are in charge of your mind. You can help it grow by using it in the right way. The mind is just like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets and the more it can expand. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Thank you for being with us.